Hello everyone, I would like to introduce my family members. First, let me introduce my father. His name is Ketsyo and he is 69 years old. He is a vegetarian. This is my mother. Her name is Pokim and she is 63 years old. My mom is a bit overweight, but her health is good. Next is my older sibling. Her name is Mimi. They are 44 years old, married, and have two children. This is my younger brother, and his name is Lip Hao. He is 32 years old and lives in Jakarta with his small family. Last three, this is my son. His name is Octorendo. He is 10 years old and in 3rd grade. Okay, that's my presentation about my family tree. Thank you for listening. Bye.